How to create a floral text effect in Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a floral text effect in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Let's get started. Let's browse to the Canva home screen and click on Create a New Design. And let's go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Okay, now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Let's change the background color to something more interesting. To change the background color, we have to go up here and select any color. For this example, let me choose a background color. Now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for Flower. And then click on Graphics here. Okay, so we have a lot of options here on Canva. If we keep on scrolling, we'll see several different variations of graphics to choose from. Let me select this graphic here. Let's resize this graphic to make it fit in this template and also make sure it's aligned in the center. Now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Text and add a heading here. Let's type Flower. And to change the font, we have to go up here and click on Fonts and choose any font from the options available. Let me select this font here. Now let's resize this text. To resize, we can simply click and drag this text like this. And make sure it's perfectly aligned on this graphic. Okay, let's change the color of this text. To change the color, we have to go up here and click on Colors to choose any color from the options available, or search for any specific color here. Let me select this color option here for this example. Now let's select this text and go up here and click on Effects. And as we can see a lot of options on the left hand side, let's select Shadow. And now let's scroll down and change the color to black so we can see how the shadow looks on the text. Now let's make a few adjustments here. Let's adjust the offset to around 20. Let's keep the direction to -45 and blur to around 25 and transparency to around 90. Now let's do the magic here. Let's duplicate the graphic behind this text and align the graphic on top of it like this. And now resize it to give some floral text effect. Please watch carefully while I duplicate the graphic and add some effects to it just by resizing the graphic image. See, that was so easy. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like these. And add a comment if you have any questions.